This is Baba, one of two ravens that we have here at the museum. Baba's a raven. It's a member of the corvid family, which also includes crows, blue jays, and magpies. They're actually the largest songbird, and they're called that because they have something like a vocal cord which allows them to make all sorts of noise. They've identified over 50 different calls that ravens make. Males and females talk differently. There's different dialects, different areas of the country. They're also very good at mimicking. They can mimic human voice. Ours picked up the sounds of the calls of the screech owl in the aviary next to them pretty quickly. Question that I frequently get asked is, what's the difference between a raven and a crow? Raven's a lot larger than a crow. Typically, crows weigh about 400 grams. Ravens are usually in the 1,200 to 1,400 gram range. Baba here is just over 1,000 grams, or about 2¼ pounds. In Alaska, they get even bigger, up to about 1,800 grams, or 4 pounds. Besides the larger size of the raven, ravens are much better flyers than crows. They have longer, narrower wings, which makes them much better flyers. They're able to soar and do a lot more aerobatics. They can fly upside down for a half mile or more. Ravens are fairly omnivorous. They eat pretty much anything they come across. They are associated with large carnivores. You see them very frequently in Yellowstone with wolves. We don't have wolves here, but we do have coyotes. They eat a lot of deer. That's probably one of the biggest parts of their diet. Either deer that don't make it through the winter or hit by cars. We feed ours some dog food and the same meat that we feed our otters. This one really likes melon, so we give him some melon each day. And eggs on occasion, because they are known to raid birds' nests for eggs. A lot of people consider ravens to be the smartest bird there is, and a UVM professor developed a test for that over 10 years ago. He hung meat on the end of a string. Now the raven's the only bird that's figured out if he reaches down with the beak, pulls it up a bit, anchors it with the foot, reaches down again with the beak, eventually you can get that treat. Crows haven't figured that out.